So today we will discuss about thermochemical equation. In last lecture we have already studied about the standard condition. Okay, the standard enthalpy of a reaction delta RH naught देखा था हम लोगों ने. So today we will discuss about the thermochemical equation. So what is the thermochemical equation? Okay, क्या है ये thermochemical equation? Thermochemical equation. Okay, so this equation which is a balanced state. Okay, जो equation what we are writing for reactants and the products, that should be balanced. Okay, that should be balanced. And how much amount of enthalpy change that has occurred, okay, when this one or more than two reactants are there. Okay, जब दो या दो से ज्यादा reactants react होते हैं and they form some product. Okay, so during that, for the formation of the product, how much enthalpy change? Okay, how much enthalpy change, how much increase or decrease in the enthalpy? Okay, that we are writing with the help of thermochemical equation. Okay, that is why the name is given thermochemical equation. The chemical equation in which some reactants will be there, some products will be there, their physical states will be there, solid state, liquid state or gaseous state, and how much amount of energy change, that is in terms of enthalpy change. Okay, so that is what a thermochemical equation it means. Okay, so thermochemical equation, it is a balanced chemical equation in which enthalpy changes. Okay, in which what will happen, it is a balanced chemical equation. So I will write down, highlight, balanced chemical equation. Okay, so equation should be balanced. Equation क्या होनी चाहिए, balanced होनी चाहिए. Okay, another important thing is that in which enthalpy changes. Okay, enthalpy changes must be mentioned. Okay, enthalpy change, how the enthalpy is changing between reactants and the product, that enthalpy change must be indicated. Their physical states must be written. Okay, physical states physical state of the reactants and the products must be written, and the number of moles of reactants and the products. Okay, number of moles, so I'm going to write down number of moles. Okay, must be written for the reactant side. Okay, reactant और product side में number of जो moles है वो लिखे होने चाहिए. Understand? So the number of moles which is written in reactant or the product side is, it is nothing but we are balancing the equation क्या होनी चाहिए, balanced होनी चाहिए. Okay, so based on this, so following guideline is there to write a thermochemical equation. So what is a guideline? Okay, what is a guideline? We'll see what is a guideline to write thermochemical equation. So to write a thermochemical equation, what is the guideline? So very first, the balanced equation for the reactants and the products. Okay, so already we have written. Okay, क्या होनी चाहिए, balanced. Okay, the equation should be what, balanced in a reactants and the product side. Okay, it should be balanced in a reactant and the product side. Okay, this is very necessary condition to write down the thermochemical equation, how the energy is changing. Second is the value and appropriate sign of enthalpy change is given on the right hand side. Okay, the value, okay, that is the value of delta RH naught. Okay, the value of delta RH naught, it should be written properly. Okay, कहाँ पे लिखा होता है ये वाला, right hand side, बराबर है ना, right hand side में लिखा होता है, and with proper sign convention. Okay, with proper sign convention. Now what is the sign convention, you know about it. Okay, sign convention either ये plus हो सकता है या ये negative हो सकता है. तो उसकी जो value है, change in enthalpy or enthalpy change during this reaction, okay, for standard condition should be written at the right hand side and with the help of sign convention, that is a positive or negative. Okay, the another guideline, the physical state of the reactants and the products must be specified. Okay, what is that, a physical state. अब ये फिजिकल स्टेट किसकी, आइदर ये रिएक्टेंट की भी हो सकती है और ये प्रोडक्ट की भी हो सकती है. सो दिस फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट्स एंड द प्रोडक्ट्स कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं हम लोग? यस यानी क्या है? सॉलिड है. यल यानी क्या है? लिक्विड है. एंड जी यानी क्या है? गैसीय स्टेट. क्या है? गैसीय स्टेट है. तो ये लिखा होना चाहिए, बराबर है. दिस should be written to every reactants and the every product which is taking part in the thermochemical equation. Okay. The next rule, the next guideline is about the given value of delta RH naught assumes that the reaction occurs in a given direction. Okay. So based down the value of that is delta RH naught. Okay, RH naught. If it is positive and if it is negative, this will tell us, okay, this value whether it is positive है या वो negative है, this value either positive or negative, this will tell us the direction. The direction. अगर जो value है अगर positive आती है तो already हमने discuss किया हुआ है, means what? The energy, there is an increase in a enthalpy. So if the value is a positive, then it means what? The change in enthalpy, that is delta H, change in enthalpy for a system is what? Increase. Okay. और उसका जो साइन है निगेटिव आता है तो उसका ये मीनिंग होता है कि चेंज इन एंथैल्पी क्या हो रही है? डिक्रीज हो रही है. किसकी? सिस्टम की. ओके, दिस इज फॉर द सिस्टम. दिस इज फॉर द सिस्टम. सराउंडिंग के लिए उसके अपोजिट हो जाएगा. कोई भी एक याद रखो, अपने आप ही दूसरा याद रहेगा. समझ में आया? सो फॉर अ सिस्टम when the delta RH we will get positive value, it means that there is an increase in a enthalpy. There is increase in a enthalpy. That's why the value is getting positive. And if the change in enthalpy is coming negative, it means what? There is a decrease in enthalpy. For what? For a system. Okay. And this equation, okay, so this equation can be reverse. Okay, reverse हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. reverse reaction equals in magnitude and opposite, means the exothermic reaction. Okay, on reversing a direction, so मैं यहाँ पे लिखता on reversing direction of a reaction. Okay, so it will reverse the change in a reaction. कैसे? अगर मान लो एक reaction है that is exothermic reaction. Okay, exothermic reaction, any reaction that is exothermic reaction, and whatever the value of delta RH, if we change the symbol from positive to negative or from negative to positive, it will reverse the direction of reaction. It will reverse the direction of reaction, and the reaction will also get reversed. If the reaction is endothermic, it will change into exothermic. Okay, so like this, the exothermic reaction on reversal becomes endothermic and vice versa. It will change. Okay, by changing this value, from positive to negative or from negative to positive and vice versa, like this. So, and the last one is the coefficient. Okay, coefficient जो लिखे होते हैं. Okay, whatever the coefficients written in a chemical equation, जो हम लोग coefficient लिखते हैं उसके आगे, so the coefficients indicating the number of moles of all substances. Okay, so coefficient जो उसके आगे लिखा होता है, that will indicate the number of moles, of substance. So different substance which take part in thermochemical equation, तो उसके आगे जो कोएफिशिएंट लिखा होगा वो कोएफिशिएंट क्या इंडिकेट करेगा? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ मोल्स आर रिएक्टेड विद अ डिफरेंट नंबर ऑफ मोल्स. ओके, एंड हाउ मेनी नंबर ऑफ moles of the product that is formed. Okay, that we will see with the help of example. Okay, for example, so we'll see example. Consider example in which this CH4, okay, CH4, देखो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है in gaseous state. Okay, when reacts with twice O2 in a gaseous state, it will give rise to CO2 CO2 gas. Okay, plus twice H2O in a liquid form, and the value of delta delta RH naught. Okay, delta RH naught change in enthalpy. Okay, for this thermochemical equation at a standard condition. At what standard condition? This not symbol will represent the standard condition. Here value is minus 890 kilojoule. Minus, look at this value, minus 890, it is kilojoule. Okay, minus 890 kilojoule. Look at this right now. We have written the thermochemical equation. What this representing? This is representing a thermochemical reaction. This is representing right now a thermochemical reaction at a standard condition. At standard condition, okay. So where the delta RH naught is minus 890 kilojoule. So where you can now, how you can read this? Okay. So you can read this as the 1 mole of CH4 in a gaseous state, 1 mole of CH4 in a gaseous state when reacts with 2 moles of oxygen in a gaseous state will give rise to 1 mole of carbon dioxide in a gaseous state and 2 moles of water, H2O, that is liquid. Okay, water in a liquid state, where the change in enthalpy for this thermochemical reaction is equals to minus 890 kilojoule. Understand? So in this way, a thermochemical reaction is to be written. We have already we have written about it. Okay, इसके पहले भी हम लोगों ने ये लिख लिया है. इसी तरह से हम लोग लिखते हैं. So to write a thermochemical reaction, so these are the guidelines. So the equation should be balanced. आप लोग check कर सकते हो. The equation will be properly बैलेंस होगी. देखो आप ऑक्सीजन के लिए ट्वाइस, ओके, तो ऑक्सीजन के लिए ट्वाइस ये हो गए 4 टोटल एटम्स. ओके, हाइड्रोजन के लिए हो गए 4. तो यहाँ पे देखो हाइड्रोजन के लिए भी बैलेंस हो गया. ओके, कार्बन के लिए 1 एटम है, कार्बन का 1 एटम है. आप देख सकते हो इट इज बैलेंस्ड इक्वेशन, बैलेंस इन रिएक्टेंट्स एंड द प्रोडक्ट साइड. ओके, डेल्टा RH it is to be written at the right hand side में लिखना पड़ता है. And then physical states of every reactants and the products are written. आप देख सकते हो physical state is written gaseous state and the liquid state. Okay, physical state. Then delta RH, okay, the value is negative. That's that is what decrease in the enthalpy. Decrease in enthalpy हो रही है system. Okay, so like this, the reversing the direction. Okay, अगर इसको reverse किया जाए तो उसका जो nature है वो भी चेंज हो जाएगा. अगर वो एक्सोथर्मिक है तो वो एंडोथर्मिक हो जाएगा. दिस इज व्हाट द गाइडलाइन टू राइट द thermochemical reaction. So this equation signifies that the 1 mole of gaseous CH4 when reacts with 2 moles of oxygen in gaseous state, it will give rise to this product. Okay, we have already discussed about it. So now we will discuss about what is the meaning of standard enthalpy of a formation. Okay, so standard enthalpy of a formation. So we'll write down standard enthalpy of formation. Standard enthalpy of formation. Standard enthalpy of formation, which is indicated by, that is delta FH naught. Okay, देखो यहाँ पे delta F subscript F and capital H naught. It is H naught will indicate the standard condition. So standard enthalpy of a formation, how the molecules, how the substance get formed, and how much the enthalpy change. So this is for, we can understand this with the help of example. We will write down first example. Okay, so example will write down. Consider H2 in a gaseous state. Okay, hydrogen in a gaseous state reacts with a half of its oxygen molecules. Okay, in a gaseous state, and it will give rise to a H2O. Okay, H2O water that is in a liquid state. For this, a delta FH naught. Okay, delta FH naught value is minus 280 kilojoule. This is the value. Okay, look at this. 1 mole of hydrogen and half of mole of the oxygen in gaseous state to react with, okay, and it get water in a 1 mole of water molecule in a liquid state. So for this, the enthalpy of formation for this hydrogen, enthalpy of formation, okay. So you pay attention towards this word, ये word important है इसमें, क्या है formation, what it is forming, क्या form हो रहा है यहाँ पे, क्या form हो रहा है H2O molecule form हो रहा है, H2O एक pure substance है, water एक pure substance है, वो form हो रहा है, और उसको form करने के लिए how much amount of enthalpy it is required to, for this reaction when this 1 mole of H2 molecules and half of the mole of the oxygen molecules they react. So the energy for the formation of water molecule, okay, energy for the formation of water molecule, they requires energy of minus 280 kilojoule. Okay, so this word is very important. Why I am saying this word is very important? Because the meaning itself, the standard enthalpy of formation, किसको फॉर्म करने के लिए, किसको फॉर्म करने के लिए, तो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल को फॉर्म करने के लिए हमें कितनी एनर्जी लगी, तो दिस minus 280 किलो जूल. So for the reaction where 1 mole of liquid water in a standard state is formed from H2 and O2 gases in their standard state. Okay, so in what condition? At a standard state. Okay, at standard state at 1 bar and at 25 degree Celsius, 1 bar pressure and 25 degree Celsius, the enthalpy changes for the reaction would be a standard enthalpy of formation of water, enthalpy of formation of water. So delta FH of water, so we can write down, क्या लिख सकते हैं हम लोग इसमें, so delta FH naught is equals to delta FH naught of water, delta FH naught of water is minus 280 kilojoule. Okay, so to form the water molecule as a pure substance into this chemical thermochemical reaction, the amount of energy that is required is minus 280 kilojoule. Okay, so at standard condition, at standard state, what is the meaning of at standard state? 1 bar pressure and 298 Kelvin temperature. This is the standard state, standard condition. Okay. So the standard enthalpy of formation. Okay. So the standard enthalpy of a formation of a compound is the enthalpy change that accompanies a reaction in which 1 mole of pure compound in its standard state is formed. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, what is happening here, 1 mole of 1 mole of H2O, 1 mole of H2O in a liquid state it is formed. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे कितना मोल है, यहाँ पे आगे 1 mole of a compound, okay, 1 mole of a pure compound. Okay, in other way you can say that 1 mole of pure compound, because water it is a pure compound. Okay, pure compound, and you know what is the meaning of compound, compound क्या होता है और element क्या होता है आप लोगों को पता है. So H2O it is a compound, which compound, a pure compound is formed, 1 mole of a pure compound is formed, okay, in its standard state, okay, in its standard state, formed from its elements in their standard state. So this pure compound is formed, 1 mole of pure compound is formed at a standard state from these elements. From these elements, H2 is element and oxygen, this is another element. So how much amount of energy, how much amount of enthalpy it requires to form 1 mole of this pure compound? This is nothing but the standard enthalpy of formation. To form 1 mole of pure compound, 1 mole of pure compound, the amount of energy, the amount of enthalpy it requires, that is called as the enthalpy of, standard enthalpy of a formation. So the formation of 1 mole of CH4 in its standard state from elements carbon and hydrogen. देखो यहाँ पे एक element है carbon, and this carbon is suppose from a graphite. Okay, एक element है from the graphite and plus hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen in a gaseous state, another element is taken to form a CH4 molecule, a CH4 molecule in a gaseous state. The delta FH naught for this value, delta H naught for this is minus 74.8, minus 74.8 kilojoule. Look at this. What is happening? A pure CH4, a pure compound, suppose it is forming 1 mole of CH4 in the gaseous state. It is forming. To form this CH4 from its element, that is carbon and hydrogen, the amount of energy, the amount of enthalpy change, of the amount of enthalpy for formation of CH4 is minus 74.8 kilojoule at the standard state, at the standard state of the elements, at the standard state of the element, that is carbon and hydrogen. Okay. So the delta FH naught for a CH4. आप देखो यहाँ पे किसको रिप्रेजेंट किया? डेल्टा FH naught will represent for a water. Delta FH naught is representing this. In the same way आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो delta FH naught for CH4. Okay, मैं यहाँ पे बार-बार बोल रहा हूँ. This enthalpy is required for the formation of what? For the formation of this. This enthalpy is required for the formation of what? This molecule. Okay. So that's why delta FH naught for CH4 is equals to minus 74.8 kilojoule. समझ में? For the formation. उसका नाम ही इसलिए वही दिया हुआ है. Standard enthalpy of the formation. So we cannot create the reaction to form a substance from its constituent elements is a hypothetical. Actually ये जो reaction है, okay, this is a hypothetical reaction. Okay, practically it is not possible. This reaction is a hypothetical. Okay, so it is not possible. It is not it is impossible. It is not possible to combine carbon and hydrogen, these two elements, okay, in the laboratory to prepare a CH4. Okay, the enthalpy of reaction for the formation of CH4 can be obtained indirectly by knowing the standard enthalpy change for the system. Okay, this is actually the hypothetical reaction. Okay, practically not possible to form CH4 with the help of elements, two elements. Okay, एक है हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन को लेके हम लोगों को CH4 प्रैक्टिकल लैबोरेटरी लैब में बनाना इम्पॉसिबल. Okay. So based on this, we will see the next concept, that is a standard enthalpy of a reaction, delta RH naught and delta FH naught. Okay, उन दोनों में क्या relation है? That we will see. That is a standard enthalpy of reaction from standard enthalpy of a formation. Standard enthalpy of reaction. Standard enthalpy of reaction, standard enthalpy of reaction, delta R H naught, standard enthalpy of reaction from standard enthalpy of formation, from standard enthalpy of formation, enthalpy of formation, this is delta FH naught. Okay, so look at this standard enthalpy of reaction from standard enthalpy of formation. Now we will write down the thermochemical equation, and based on that we will find out how much is the delta FH naught for a particular any reaction. So standard enthalpies of formation of compounds are used to determine a standard enthalpies of reaction. Okay, so standard enthalpy of a reaction निकालने के लिए, okay, so we can use this. So calculations of delta RH naught from delta FH naught. Okay, so what we will do, we will calculate the calculations of delta RH naught. Okay, delta RH naught from delta FH naught, from the from standard enthalpy of formation of a compounds of a compounds. Okay, of a compounds. Okay, they are based on, okay, based on following. Okay, some following rules are there. Okay, some following rules are there. So what we have to find out, we have to calculate delta RH naught. Okay, क्या निकालना है हमें? Delta RH naught. Okay, so that is the standard enthalpy of a reaction from the standard enthalpy of a formation, and it is based on the following. Okay, so first one is the standard enthalpies of formation of an element is 0. Okay, so very first is what? Standard. So in short I will write down the delta f h naught. Okay, देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है मैंने delta f h naught means what? Standard enthalpy of a formation. Okay, of an element of an element is zero. Of an element is zero. तो वो क्या कंसीडर करना है हमें? वो जीरो कंसीडर करना है. किसके लिए? स्टैंडर्ड एंथैल्पी ऑफ अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एन एलिमेंट फॉर एलिमेंट दैट वी हैव टू कंसीडर इट एज अ जीरो. तो कैसे कंसीडर करें हम लोग? तो एग्जांपल के लिए देखो यहाँ पे स्टैंडर्ड एंथैल्पी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन. ओके, डेल्टा एफ एच नॉट फॉर हाइड्रोजन दैट इज H2. Okay, and the standard enthalpy of formation, that is FH naught for suppose Cl2. Okay, Cl2 hai. Okay, then another elements like delta FH naught suppose for a carbon. Okay, carbon. Then suppose delta FH naught suppose for oxygen. That we have to consider as a zero. बोला ही गया है. फर्स्ट क्या है? That standard enthalpy of a formation. Okay, standard enthalpy of a formation of an element is zero. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे एलिमेंट है, हाइड्रोजन है, क्लोरीन है, कार्बन है, ऑक्सीजन है. ओके, तो इनके लिए क्या करना है? जीरो लेना है. ओके, फॉर एन एलिमेंट. ओके, फॉर एन एलिमेंट the second condition is standard enthalpy of a formation of a compound is equal to its standard enthalpy. Okay, so what second parameter tells us? Okay, I'm not going to write down complete statement, so we'll write down that the delta standard enthalpy of a formation. Okay, delta f h naught standard enthalpy of formation of a compound. Okay, so of any compound, suppose कोई भी compound है. Okay, any compound whose standard enthalpy of a formation we know. Okay, that is equals to standard enthalpy, that is equals to the standard enthalpy, that is H naught for a compound. So these are the guidelines, these are the rules. Okay, so delta FH naught standard enthalpy of formation एक compound की वो क्या कंसिडर करना है हमें? That is equals to enthalpy of the compound at standard condition. Okay, so it's standard enthalpy. So consider the reaction. So now we will consider the reaction, and based on that we'll try to write down the given equation. Okay, ये वाली equation हम लोग लिखेंगे. Okay, enthalpy of ये क्या था यहाँ पे? Formation था ना? Formation delta FH naught. Okay, so now we will try to write down general equation. एक हम लोग general equation लिखेंगे, and now we will use these laws. Okay, for that general equation. So let us write down a reaction. Consider a reaction. Consider a reaction that is a number of moles of atom A. देखो मैंने आपको ऐसा इक्वेशन इसके पहले भी एक्सप्लेन किया हुआ है. This is B times. B times ये क्या है? Small b is indicating the number of moles for the atom B, and it is giving rise to small c times the number of moles of capital C plus D times the that is number of moles for a capital D atom. Okay, so standard enthalpy of a reaction. Standard enthalpy of reaction. So यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ मैं standard enthalpy of reaction So delta RH naught standard enthalpy of reaction is given by given by so delta RH naught. Okay, delta RH naught. Okay, delta RH naught is written for above reaction. देखो आप ये reaction देखो. Okay, this reaction के लिए हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते? So for this reaction we can write down. ये देखो क्या लिखते हैं हम लोग? पहले product side. Okay, पहले product side लिखते हैं, and product minus the reactant side. So what is the product? Product side क्या है? Small c times the enthalpy, that is H naught किसके लिए? C के लिए, C atom के लिए. Okay, कार्बन जो भी C atom है उसके लिए, plus D times. Okay, D times the standard enthalpy of atom D, okay, minus in bracket, okay, reactant side में क्या है, it is A times the standard enthalpy, H naught is the standard enthalpy of an atom A plus B times, आप देख सकते हो, B times the standard enthalpy that is H naught for atom B. देखो कैसे लिखा है फिर से एक बार. What we are finding out, we are writing the standard enthalpy for this reaction. Okay, standard enthalpy of reaction for this given reaction. Given reaction is what? Small a times the number of moles. ये small a times क्या है? Number of moles for the capital A atom. Small b is the number of moles, okay, for atom B, capital B, okay. And the product side, it is forming small c is the number of moles for atom capital C plus small d is the number of moles for an atom D. Okay, so this is the product side and this is the reactant side. So enthalpy of a product side minus enthalpy of the reactant side. So what is the enthalpy of a product side? That is a C times the enthalpy, standard enthalpy of the atom C plus D times the standard enthalpy of a D atom, okay, minus A times the standard enthalpy of atom A plus standard enthalpy B times the standard enthalpy of capital B. समझ में आया? In this way, the delta RH naught, okay, is written. But ये देखो यहाँ पे H naught of any compound is equals to what? It is delta FH naught of that compound. तो देखो इसको देखो यहाँ पे हम लोग वैल्यू चेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, H naught स्टैंडर्ड एंथैल्पी है तो उसको हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? एंथैल्पी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन के इसमें चेंज कर सकते हैं. बराबर है? देखो यहाँ पे फिर से H naught is what? स्टैंडर्ड एंथैल्पी and which is equals to enthalpy of a standard enthalpy of a formation for that particular compound. तो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं अगर ये कोई कंपाउंड होगा तो उसके लिए हम लोग लिख सकते हैं and which can be written as is equals to which is equals to the C times, okay, उसको ब्रैकेट में लिखता हूं मैं, that is C times the delta FH naught for which atom? For C atom plus D times, okay, plus D times, okay, चाहे तो हम लोग उसको ब्रैकेट को चेंज कर देते हैं, okay, ताकि आप लोगों को समझ में आए. So D times the enthalpy change, okay, that is delta FH naught किसके लिए? कैपिटल D के लिए. तो ये हो गया किसके? This is for the product side minus A times the delta H naught for capital A plus B times the delta FH naught ये नीचे होना चाहिए because it is a for formation. So delta FH naught for atom B. Okay, in this way. So what we have done here, what we have changed here. So H naught is what? It is a standard enthalpy of that compound. कौन से compound का? Suppose C कोई compound है. Okay, तो उसके लिए हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं? उसके लिए हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं that enthalpy, standard enthalpy of a formation. ये देखो सिर्फ मैंने क्या किया? H naught C, H naught D, H naught A, H naught B के जगह पे मैंने क्या लिखा? उनकी स्टैंडर्ड एंथैल्पी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन की वैल्यू लिखी. देखो डेल्टा FH naught is a standard enthalpy of formation for C. Delta FH naught is the standard enthalpy for the formation of D. Delta FH naught for A is the standard enthalpy for A, and delta FH naught, okay, delta is the standard enthalpy for B. देखो यहाँ पे मैंने ऐसे लिखा. Okay, so in this way what you will get here, यहाँ पे क्या मिल रहा है आपको? So you will get the summation of the enthalpy of formation. Okay, this will give us the summation of enthalpy of formation at the product side, and this will give us summation of enthalpy of the reactant side. So we can now write, हम लोग उसको लिख सकते हैं that delta R H naught, delta R H naught, delta R H naught, that is standard enthalpy of a reaction, is equals to the summation of delta F H naught, किसके साइड में, प्रोडक्ट साइड में minus summation of delta F H naught at the reactant side. Okay, so once again you look at that. So summation of delta FH naught. What is this summation of delta FH naught? This will give us enthalpy of formation of the product. This will give us completely the enthalpy of, this will give us completely the enthalpy of formation. Summation of enthalpy delta F H naught. For what? For a product side. For what? Product side. क्योंकि ये product side है, and this completely, ये वाली जो complete है, ये वाली value, ये किसकी value मिलेगी हमें? This is nothing but the summation of enthalpy of formation, standard enthalpy of formation at reactant side, and the same value is written over here, same value यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. Okay, so this is what the standard enthalpy of reaction delta RH naught from standard enthalpy of formation, तो देखो हमें ये वाला रिलेशन मिला है. तो in this way we can find out what summation of enthalpy of formation of the product minus summation of enthalpy of standard enthalpy of formation of the reactants. Okay, ये word use करना है इसमें standard. Okay, now that is what standard enthalpy of a reaction is equals to summation of standard enthalpy of product, standard enthalpy of formation for the product minus summation of standard enthalpy of formation for the reactants. Okay, थोड़ा सा लंबा है to read this. Okay, so in this way you have to read it. Okay, so based on this we'll try to solve one problem. एक problem देखेंगे हम लोग, उसको solve करेंगे by using this relation. Okay, so look at the problem number 4.10. Look at the problem number 4.10, which is based on standard enthalpy of reaction from standard enthalpy of a formation. So problem number 4.10. Problem number 4.10. All of you look at the problem number 4.10. Calculate the standard enthalpy of reaction. What we have to calculate? The standard enthalpy of reaction that we have to calculate. Okay, that is delta RH naught that we have to calculate. Delta RH naught is what? A standard enthalpy of a reaction. Okay. So the reaction they have provided us, the reaction is what? Twice C2H6, twice C2H6 in a gaseous state. It is react with the 7 times the oxygen O2 in a gaseous state to give rise to, okay, 4 times the CO2 in a gaseous state plus H2O, 6 times the H2O in the liquid state. Okay, so this is the given equation. Okay, this is the given equation. Okay, and they have given the enthalpy of formation delta FH naught. किसके लिए दिया हुआ है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के लिए, CO2 के लिए दिया हुआ है. Okay, it is minus 93.5 माइनस में है. Okay, kilojoule per mole. Value is in terms of kilojoule per mole. Okay, per mole. Then remember this value is given kilojoule per mole, not completely kilojoule. Okay, ये वाली value individual value है. Okay, ये वाली value क्या है? उस individual CO2 की है. Okay, जब हम लोग उसको 4 times से multiply कर देंगे तो मोल बराबर मैच हो जाएगा and you will get completely enthalpy of this CO2 in terms of kilojoule. Okay, kilojoule per mole multiply by 4 moles. Okay, बराबर है ना? तो मैं वहां पे बताऊंगा आप लोगों को जब रिएक्शन लिखूंगा. Then the delta FH naught for H2O. Okay, H2O, it is equals to minus 285 0.8 kilojoule per mole. Okay, kilojoule per mole. Then delta FH naught for C2H6. Okay, ये देखो reactant है C2H6 and it is minus 84.9 kilojoule per mole. 9 kilojoule per mole. This is given. Okay. बट इन एडिशन टू दिस आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे इसकी भी एंथैल्पी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन दी हुई है. ओके, इसकी भी एंथैल्पी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन दी हुई है यहाँ पे, इसकी भी एंथैल्पी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन दी गई है यहाँ पे. ओके, व्हाट इज द एंथैल्पी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन फॉर ऑक्सीजन? देखो हमने लिखा हुआ है ऑलरेडी एंथैल्पी ऑफ फॉर्मेशन डेल्टा एफ, इसको थोड़ा सा साइड में लिखता हूँ ताकि वो डिस्टिंग्विश हो जाए. डेल्टा FH नॉट फॉर ऑक्सीजन O2 क्या रहता है? इट इज 0. समझ में आया ना? फॉर एन एलिमेंट it is 0. Okay, for an element it is 0. आप देख सकते हो ये compounds है CO2 H2O C2H6, they are compound. Okay, you must be very much aware about what is compound and what is element. Okay, so इसके लिए ये क्या आया है? For oxygen, okay, element के लिए ये है 0. Okay, so now we know the relation, that is what? Delta RH naught. Okay, the relation we know that delta, देखो right side पे लिखा हुआ है delta RH naught. ये क्या होता है? This is the summation of, yes, summation of standard enthalpy of formation delta FH naught. किस साइड में? प्रोडक्ट साइड में. ओके, for the products how many products are there? Okay, minus summation of delta FH naught for the reactants. Okay, तो अभी हम लोग लिखेंगे, ओके, उनकी वैल्यूज लिखेंगे. That is delta RH naught, standard enthalpy of a reaction, is what? Summation of enthalpy of formation of the products. चलो products कौन से है? तो ये वाले हैं हमारे products. Okay, 4 times the CO2. Okay, 4 times the CO2. ये देखो 4 ये क्या है? C है, small c. देखो हमने लिखा हुआ है. Okay, general equation में लिखा हुआ है. So now I will write it 4 multiply by delta FH naught. किसके लिए? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के लिए, CO2 के लिए, बराबर है, CO2 के लिए, प्लस 6 टाइम्स. व्हाट इज द 6? दिस इज द मोल्स. ओके, मैंने आपको बताया था ये देखो 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय डेल्टा FH नॉट ऑफ CO2. डेल्टा FH नॉट ऑफ CO2 कितना है? इट इज माइनस 393.5 किलो जूल पर मोल है. देखो यहाँ पे किलो जूल पर मोल व्हेन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4 मोल्स. मोल कैंसिल हो गया, इसका आंसर सिर्फ किलो जूल में आएगा. ओके, सो इन दिस वे, सो नाउ फॉर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लिख लिया हम लोगों ने, अभी लिखेंगे H2O के लिए. ओके, 6 टाइम्स, ये क्या है? स्मॉल d है. 6 टाइम्स द डेल्टा FH नॉट, डेल्टा FH नॉट किसके लिए? H2O के लिए. तो ये हो गया कौन सा साइड? ये हो गया प्रोडक्ट साइड. ओके, माइनस इक्वेशन थोड़ी सी बड़ी होती है इसकी. माइनस, yes, look at this, 2 times the delta FH naught, okay, delta FH naught for C2H6. just a minute, first window open करने के लिए light कम है. Yes, is it visible right now? So ये देखो यहाँ पे twice is the number of moles for what? C2H6. what is the value of C2H6? तो ये देखो डेल्टा FH नॉट फॉर C2H6. ओके, H6 प्लस 7 टाइम्स, व्हाट इज 7? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स इनटू डेल्टा FH नॉट फॉर ऑक्सीजन. ओके, सो इन दिस वे द इक्वेशन यू विल गेट. आप देख सकते हो एक बड़ी इक्वेशन आई है. ओके, इन दिस वे we will write down the equation. Okay, delta FH naught के टर्म्स में हमने लिखा हुआ है. Okay, दिखाई दे रहा है सब लोगों को? Now we will put the values here. It is 4 multiply by कितनी वैल्यू है? डेल्टा FH नॉट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की ये माइनस में है वैल्यू. ओके, ये वैल्यू किस में है? माइनस में है. सो फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग मैं इसको ऐसे लिखता हूँ, दैट इज 4 मोल. ओके, व्हाट इज दैट? दिस इज 4 मोल multiply by minus, what is the value of CO2 delta formation? It is minus 393.5. यूनिट क्या है इसका? किलो जूल पर मोल है. ये देखो, तो ये देखो ये मोल और ये मोल कैंसिल हो जाते हैं. ओके, सो दिस विल बी एप्लीकेबल टू ऑल. then 6 mole. 6 mole multiply by, what is the value of delta FH naught of delta standard enthalpy of formation for water? So minus 285, minus 285.8, okay, in terms of kilojoule per mole. आप देख सकते हो मोल मोल कैंसिल हो रहा है. Okay, so this is for the product, 2 mole multiply by delta FH naught, okay, कितनी वैल्यू है उसकी C2H6 की? माइनस 84.9, माइनस 84.9, दैट इज किलो जूल पर मोल. ये देखो यार फिर से मोल मोल कैंसिल हो गया. ओके, एंड प्लस 7 times 7 multiply by, what is the value of delta FH naught? It is a zero value. क्या है ये वाली वैल्यू? जीरो. ये आप देखो मैंने लिखा हुआ. So enthalpy, standard enthalpy of formation for O2 element, okay, oxygen is what? Zero. हमने लिखा हुआ है already. Okay, so in this way this value will become zero. So when you will solve this, 4 multiplied by this 393.5, okay, so we will get answer. ओके, डायरेक्टली किस में आंसर आएगा? किलो जूल में आएगा. मोल मोल कैंसिल हो गए, सबका आंसर किस में आएगा? किलो जूल किलो जूल किलो जूल में आएगा. सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट डाउन डायरेक्टली द आंसर. माइनस इसका जो आंसर है इसका 1574 किलो जूल आ रहा है. किसका? इसका. देन माइनस इसका जो आंसर है 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय टू माइनस 285.8 इज माइनस 17. यू चेक द वैल्यूज. 1714.8 ये देखो यूनिट क्या रहेगा इसका? किलो जूल में ही रहेगा. मोल मोल कैंसिल हो गया. ओके, और यहाँ पे देखो ये माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे प्लस हो जाएगा. सो 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 84.9, सो 169.8, 169.8 ये भी है किलो जूल में. तो देखो इसको, ये माइनस इसकी वैल्यू माइनस किलो जूल्स में आई है, इसकी भी वैल्यू देखो माइनस है. यहाँ पे माइनस आएगा 1714.8 किलो जूल, and this minus minus this will become plus, and 2 multiplied by 84.9, answer is 169.8 kilojoules. So solving this, ये minus minus को add कर दो. Okay, और उसमें से ये plus. Okay, so you will get answer finally answer 3119 kilojoule. Okay, so what is this value? Delta RH naught. क्या बोल सकते हो आप इसको? That is standard enthalpy of a reaction for this reaction. Okay, standard enthalpy of reaction देखो आप इस साइड में लिख सकते हो, that is delta RH naught. Okay, delta RH naught for this reaction is minus 3119, that is kilojoule. Okay, sorry मैंने यहाँ पे ट्रिपल वन लिख दिया क्या गलती से? हाँ, यहाँ पे. So it is 3119. Okay, 3119 minus 3119 kilojoule. It is what? The standard enthalpy of a reaction. और हमें पता है standard enthalpy of reaction कहाँ पे लिखते हैं? Towards right side में लिखते हैं reaction के. So this is what delta RH naught is equals to minus 3119 kilojoule. Okay, so I hope that you have understood. Okay, formation of, okay, that is a standard enthalpy of a reaction from standard enthalpy of a formation. Okay, this concept is known as what? Standard enthalpy of reaction from standard enthalpy of a formation. So in this way we have studied about this concept. Okay, I hope you have understood this.